Welcome to Kiduzo.
Hello kids! Welcome to Brainy Mind Learning. Let's sing the ABC Phonics song together.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, b, ball. C is for cat, c, cat. D is for dog, d, dog. E is for elephant, e, elephant. F is for fish, f, fish. G is for goat, g, goat. H is for hat, ha, hot. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, j, juice. K is for kite, k, kite. L is for lion, l, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nut, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for panda, p, panda. Q is for queen, q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, s, sun. T is for tiger, t, tiger. U is for umbrella, u, umbrella. V is for violin, v, violin. W is for watermelon, w, watermelon. X is for xylophone, x, xylophone. Y is for yacht, y, yacht. Z is for zebra, z, zebra.
Yay! We did it, kids! You learned the ABC with Brainy Mind Learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun songs. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching Kiduzo.